Let's get you to Platinum Square, Power Africa Solar in Nairobi. This is Bunyala Road roundabout for those of you who are coming from town. Once you leave Bunyala Road roundabout, keep going forward. On the left side, you're going to see Highway Mall. As you keep going, you're also going to see Carrefour Mega. On your right side as well, you're going to be able to see Nyayo Stadium. And as we keep going, you're also going to see Toyota Kenya. Once you get to the roundabout for Nyayo Stadium, you're going to go left onto Lusaka Road. Once you get onto Lusaka Road, you're going to see Shell Petrol Station on your left, and there's also Auto Express on your left. You're going to take the first left into Chepkorio Road, and where the former CMC, which is now Inchcape, is located. Keep going forward. There's going to be 2 bumps that you're going to pass. And as we keep going forward, you're going to be able to see the grey building on the complete end of the street. Take a left turn, and you're going to see Platinum Square on your right. Once you get there, you're going to get in to where the grey gate is, and you're going to be able to know the building. Platinum Square, Holler Road Industrial Area. You can see our signage there as well. PV Tech, Reliable Solar Energy Solutions. Once you get in, the guard is going to help you get in. Come into the building. We are located on the ground floor. When you go forward, you're going to be able to already see our signage, so you're not going to get lost. Even if you ask Kwa Solar or Solar Energy, they're going to direct you to our office.